Hello everyone. Today we are at the Wellington campus of Palmerston North-based Massey University, and here is a tour of all of the lifts that I managed to film here. Now this is going to be quite a big lift tour, as there's quite a few different sets of lifts for us to look at here. So we're going to begin first of all in block 10. Now blocks 10 and 11 were both swipe card access only on my latest visit. However, I have got some old footage of one of the lifts in block 10 from about 8 years ago. And this lift is a glass Schindler M series hydraulic lift.
Capacity 180 kgs or 15 persons. Watch the window going in. Here we are. Let's send it up. Send it up and watch it go. So you can see the door light. Up it goes.
And now into block 11. Now, the lift in here is an old express hydraulic lift which has been modernised with Schindler M series. Now, unfortunately, on my latest visit here, this building was unfortunately swipe card access only. So we are once again having to resort to archival footage of this lift. But anyway, here it is.
There's a lift at Massey University. It's got U-key doors. I wonder what it is. Here it is. It might be a modernised. Oh, it's a modernised express, I think. Yep. It definitely is. Up we go. Which side is it? Nice interior. There's your capacity there. Here we are background. Yes, you can. Yes, I'd say this is a mod because you can tell it is because it's still got its original U-key hole, so it could be express. So yeah, that's it.
And now to the main part of the university campus, and now into block 1. Now this building is an older 2-storey building, but the lift in here has been replaced though, and the lift in here is a Schindler 5500 MRL lift with FIGS. I think this lift was installed in around either 2017 or 2018, something like that, but I'm not 100% sure.
Elevator is going up. Door
So we're at Massey University in Wellington. This is one of the lifts inside block 1. It's a Schindler 5500 MRL lift.
Floor 1.
1,450 kgs or 19 persons.
Elevator is going down. Door closing.
Looks like we've got a glass shaft down there, but an enclosed shaft in the lift. So I'm not really a fan of how they do that, but yeah. Rather basic interior. It's got quite a bit of advertising in it.
Door opening.
Right.
Elevator is going up. Door closing.
There it goes. And that's it. And now into block 2 and into the lift in there. Now this building is another older building, but once again the lift in here has been replaced, and the lift in this building is an OTIS Gen2 MRL lift with the American voice. We're at another building at Massey University, and this time I've gone OTIS Gen2 MRL lift. Oh, it's got the American voice. It's in a bit of a state though. Look at all the paint chests in here. It's in a bit of a rough state though, this lift.
Going down.
Let's go back to C. 1,000 kgs or 13 persons. Yeah. Right, here we're back down at C. There it goes. And that's it. Right, so moving on, we're now going to go into block 4. And again, this is another older building, but the lift in here has been replaced. It looks like it's been replaced at some point during the 2000s. And the lift in here is a Schindler 100p MRL lift with E-type fixtures. This is another lift at Massey University. This is another lift at Massey University. This time we're in block 4. We've got a Schindler E-type MRL. I think this might be a 300p or 100p or something like that, or possibly even a 5400, but either way it uses E-type fixtures. We are at level E. Go back to B. Light up door controls. Woo. Get a look at the cab. It's quite nice. And yeah. Here we are back down at B. There it goes. And that's it. Right, so now we're going to go into the library building in the university, and the lift in this building is an OTIS Gen2 MRL lift. The lift in the library building at Massey University is an OTIS Gen2. Asian style, 1,000 kgs or 13 persons. Quite a basic cab. So yeah. There it goes. And that's it. Now we go into block 9 and into the lift in block 9. And this lift is a Schindler M series lift. Now this lift is quite a busy lift, so you would think that this lift would be attraction. Nope, not the case. They installed a hydraulic lift here. Now, I don't actually know whether this lift is purely a Schindler M series or whether it's an older express lift that's been modernised by Schindler. There's no evidence to suggest that this is an old express lift that has been modernised, but I don't know. Anyway, here is the lift. So we're in block 9 at Massey, and we've got a Schindler M series hydraulic lift. Come on. Yep, there it is. Huh, the buns have been replaced. Let's see, does that floor indicator work or not? Oh, it's only a hydraulic, which It's kind of annoying because this lift does look quite busy. 11 persons or 780 kgs. We are up at level D.
Thank you.
Right. Rather nice carpeted cab though. Yeah, that floor indicator is completely broken. We are back at level A. Here it goes. And that's it. Right, so now we're going to go into block 5 and into the lifts in there. Now this is a set of 3 old OTIS lifts installed in either the 50s or 60s. Now these were modernised by OTIS in either the 80s or 90s with Series 1 fixtures, and they have since been modernised again by OTIS using Dewhurst buttons. Now, what's interesting about these lifts is the lift on the right hand side has got big 2-speed doors, and it's also got a rear door at the back because it also acts as a freight lift as well, whereas the other 2 lifts are just normal lifts and have just got regular center open doors, which is quite interesting actually. But despite this though, all 3 lifts run as a set. So here are the lifts. So we're in block 5 now. We've got some old OTIS lifts which have been modernised. Okay, so we've got this one over here which has got the rear door. Oh, H is the top floor. Don't know why I've pressed F, but anyway. So yeah, I think it was OTIS who did this modernisation. You can see up there where the old floor indicator used to be. 1,590 kgs or 23 persons. Oh, here we are at floor F. Right. We'll go up to H and then... Interestingly enough though, only this lift has a rear set of doors, the other 2 don't. So up here, I'm going to send this lift down and we'll... Oh wow, you can see into the shaft of the other lifts there. Right, so I'm going to send that one down and we'll try and call one of the others. So which one's it going to be? Go back to A. So unlike the other lift which has got a set of rear doors, this one's only a single door. Right. There's no floor G, it's just A, B, C, D, E, F, H. So here we are back down at A. There it goes. And that's it. Right, so now we're going to come out of block 5 and go into block 7 and into the last lift that I filmed here. Now this lift is an 80s 3rd generation express hydraulic lift. Now this lift, it is definitely a 3rd generation express lift, as this lift uses LEDs, whereas 2nd gen express uses bulbs. But anyway, this is a really nice and awesome original lift. So yeah, here it is. We're inside block D and we've got an old express lift here. We're inside block 7, sorry, and on level 7 we've got an old express lift here. Yep, here it is. Is that going or is it locked? Okay, it must be locked. Oh, it's a hydraulic. Maintained by Schindler. We are up at level D. Go back to level C. This must be a 3rd Gen Express. No, that won't open. Quite a nice cab though. 920 kgs or 13 persons. Right. There it goes. And that's it.